'Twas the night before shutdown, and all through the plant, we were all working diligently, nary a mention of can't. I was snug in my teamwear, playing carols from my phone. I heard the song sung back gladly, and I realized I wasn't alone. I walked past BA 1, 2, and 3, and saw familiar faces smiling back at me. They said, "Happy holidays!" I replied, "Same to y'all." Then I continued on to Pilot Hall. Engineers were snug in their stations, fitting parts without complications. Logistics delivered ugly sweaters. They're never late. I snagged one in quality and left a few more in checkpoint 8. I popped into paint to give them a shout. I didn't have PPE, so they said, "Get the heck out." I sprang to the battery shop. It smelled just like s'mores. They were working on batteries for ID4s. I went over to Body and felt myself grin. They were assembling so fast, it would make your head spin. I went from the MEB area to the hang-on parts line, visiting housekeeping, food services, and team members in the spine. As I was leaving, I shared my holiday cheer. Happy one team to all, and a wonderful new year. That was pleasant. Happy holidays, Volkswagen Chattanooga.